Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a clear, high-resolution image because the app needs detail to trace edges accurately. Once done, open the cartoon app, allow permissions, and tap Import or the plus button to load your photo. Make sure to crop to center the subject. You want the face or main object to be about half to twice the frame size so filters detect features. This reduces artifacts and speeds processing, so import and crop now, then move on to style selection. Next, you choose the cartoon style, comic, anime, watercolor, or caricature, because each preset alters line weight and color saturation differently. Once selected, adjust the strength slider between 0 and 100% to balance realism versus stylization, and fine-tune detail, color, and edge smoothing to avoid over-sharpening. If the app offers manual brushes, paint over hair, eyes, or background to preserve important details. Make sure to preview at 100. To finish, export your cartoon. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG for a smaller file, and set the resolution to match your use case. You should save an editable or layered copy when possible so you can tweak later, and always keep the original photo as a backup. If you see strange artifacts, make sure to lower the stylization strength, recrop to reduce busy backgrounds, or re-import a higher resolution image. These steps fix most problems quickly, so you can export again with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.